Jess, wake up. It's morning. Leave me alone. I have a big camping trip coming up and I need to get a lot of sleep. Okay. Wait a sec. Did you sleep in your clothes? Yes, it's good practice for camping. Okay then. Whee! Ouch! Oh, it hurt. Now let's go take a look around this place. Ooh, a fireplace. Ooh, books. Maybe I'll read one of them. I think I'll try this one. Chapter 1. There is no one left. When Mary Lennox was sent to Misselthwaite Manor to live with her uncle, everybody said she was the most disagreeable-looking child ever seen, and it was true. Chapter 5. The Cry in the Quarter. At first, each day which passed by for Mary Lennox was exactly like the others. Every morning she awoke in her tapestried room and found Martha kneeling upon the hearth building her fire. Every morning she ate her breakfast in the nursery, which had nothing amusing in it, and after each breakfast she gazed out at the Dickon. The sun shone down for nearly a week on the secret garden. The secret garden was what Mary called it when she was thinking of it. She liked the name, and she liked still more the feeling that when its beautiful walls shut her in, no one else was there. Chapter 17. A Tantrum. She had gotten up very early in the morning, and had worked hard in the garden, and she was tired and sleepy, so as soon as Martha had brought her supper, she had eaten it and was glad to go to bed. Chapter 21. Ben Witherstaff. One of the strange things about living in the world is that it is only now and then one is quite sure one is going to live for ever and ever and ever. One knows it sometimes when one gets up at the tender, solemn dawn time and goes out and stands alone and throws one's head. Chapter 23. Magic. Dr. Craven had been waiting some time in the house when they returned to it. He had indeed begun to wonder if it might not be wise to send someone out to explore the garden path when called. Chapter 27. In the Garden. In each century since the beginning of the world, wonderful things have been discovered. In the last century, more amazing things were found out than in the century before. Across the lawn came the master of Misselthwaite, and he looked as many of them had never seen him, and by his side, with his head up in the air and his eyes full of laughter, walked as strongly and steadily as any boy in Yorkshire, Master Colin. Oh, this book was so good, I don't want it to end. I am getting pretty hungry. What should I eat? I'll have that. That was really good. Wow, look at all those windows. Whoa! Oh my goodness, what's going on here? Get me off of this! What is get me off! Hey, what's that smell? It seems to be coming from the living room. Oh my goodness, could it be? It is a fire in the fireplace! Ah, this is so nice. Hey, Kanani, how is your, Kanani? Mm-hmm. Oh, nothing.